Sabi namin, PBA kampihan na. At ngayon naman, itong si Erica Padilla may kasamang Meralco fan, nakakampi sa mga balls. Erica?
That's right, kakampi naman ng Meralco ang pakikinggan natin ngayon. So, Jem, sabihin mo sa amin, bakit gano'n na lang ang support ang binibigyan nyo for Meralco?
Siyempre, apart from me being part of the workforce of Meralco, they're really nice players na sobrang babait din ng mga coaches. And apart from playing basketball, they're not only playing basketball, but they're also doing it for corporate social responsibility of Meralco as well.
Ayun naman. So, ano na ba yung pinaka-extreme na ginawa nyo for Meralco para mapakita yung support nyo?
Siyempre, as much as possible, we go to their games all the time. And kahit na sa labas pa ng Manila yan, we go there to support the team. And apart from that, siyempre, we make our own t-shirts, we make our own banners, and we talk about good things about them on Facebook and on Twitter.
Thank you so much, Jem. I'm sure makikita pa kita sa lahat ng mga Meralco games. Maraming salamat. Back to you guys!
Maraming salamat, Erica and Jem. At kanina nakita nyo yung supportang binigay naman ni Daniel Defonso na ibaba ang kalamangan sa pito, 58-51. Huling yugto. It's a very low-scoring ball game so far.
What's supposed to be a low-scoring ball game will favor Petron. Pero yung mga player ng Meralco, some unexpected scorers, si Brian Paundo, nakaka 6 points na yan.
At ginawa nila yung pinito ng third quarter na hindi masyadong ginamit ito ng Solnado. Nung lumamang sila ng malaking correction ng third quarter. As they continue their attack there, but good defense from Chris Lutz. Nasa ka dito kay Arvin, nabitawan!
Oh, na-pick up doon ni Mark Yee. Good transition din ng Meralco, preventing ang fast break opportunity ng Petron.
Hindi maingat ang Petron sa pag-aalaga ng bola. And to shoot here for Meralco. Mark Yee against another Mark. Agustin ang dumipensa. Walang pinasahan. Balik ang bola sa Petron. Some changes here. Josephio balik sa Petron. Pinaltan si Agustin. At balik din po si Sol Mercado na si Taulava. For Paundo and Chico Laniete. Sa tingin mo ba dito kung ito isasagatan ni Coach Ryan itong si Sol Mercado sa fourth quarter?
Alam mo ito, kaya na. Tagal na siya nakapagpahinga in third period. Here he is. At si Alvin Santos, mga kaibigan, he also shut down several minutes third quarter because of foul trouble. Ngayon na siya 15 points.
At tuloy yung girian dito ng Sol Mercado. Tenor Miranda. Miranda, walang tawag na kung Sol 3 points for Sol Mercado. Pero higit sa lahat, 10 ang kalamangan ng Meralco, 63-53.
Ano ba, parang boxing din yan, ha? Defend yourself at all times. At walang nakadepensa doon kay Sol Mercado. Wide open shot for 3 points.
So Meralco getting a good game so far from Sol Mercado. Ang kanilang puso sa game na ito. Isip against Santos. Tumihit na, iwanan na bagya. Tumira. Mahigat si Gomez. 2 points for Mark Isip. The fifth foul, I believe, of Arvin Santos.
And again, yung offensive rebound. Sandali.
Kay Ildefonso naibigay. Kay Ildefonso pala naibigay.
Ildefonso matatawagan ng personal foul. Makita po natin, itong tira galing kay Sol Mercado. Napabayaan siya ni Denok Miranda. And ito yung offensive rebound galing kay Mark Isip. And the putback. And the 3-point play completion.
So namagana yung kalamangan dito ng Meralco. Kanina pinakamalaki, 8. Ngayon, 13 na, 66-53. Wala na pong 10 minuto na iwan sa ating fourth quarter.
Chiki, yung gang rebound mentality ng Meralco is so evident sa game. And we see a lot of Meralco players crashing the board. Tumutulong-tulong sila para hindi makakuha ng defensive rebound ang Petron and start and trigger a fast break.
Isa din kaya sa kanilang main driver dito sa magandang nilalaro nila yung gusto nilang maging unang team na makapagbibigay ng talo dito sa Petron Boosters?
Oh, definitely. Isang motivation yan because last team standing nga ang Petron. But maliban doon, galing sila sa isang masakit na talo to rain or shine. Nakahabol sila doon kasi they lost in the end game. And Meralco certainly wants to get over the 50% mark to ang record nila ngayon.
Lots there gambling on a steal kay Umulon pero hindi nagwagi. Marky umatake. Nice pass to Taulava. Muscles his way in. 2 points for Aki. Back to 13 points ang kalamangan. 68-55 at 4 nang naitatala itong si Asi Taulava.
3 points coming up.
Benga for Alex Cabagnon. Cut the lead down to 10. At iba na, kinito bumabantay dito kay Sol Mercado. Alex Cabagnon na. Pinalta na si Dennis Miranda. Ating po score para po sa ating mga televiewers, 68-58. 10 pong lamang ng Meralco. At malaking bagay yun dyan, yung nilalaro ni Sol Mercado, scoring, sharing the basketball. At itong Petron struggling to cut the lead down. Asi Taulava with a good rebound.
Then you control of the board. Not giving Petron another crack at the basket. 10 hinahabol dito ng Petron.
At doon nakaka-attract ng double team itong si Sol. Wala pa siyang ginagawa. He gets 2 defenders kaya nalilibre yung mga ibang kakampihan. Lats umatake sa depensa ni Sol.
Nagsak na naman si Lot. At this time he will go to the line.
He's shooting well from the free throw line kasi Chris Lats. Meron po tayong ceasefire dito by Petron. 68-58. Magbabalik po ang PBA. Balik po tayo dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Labang Meralco versus Petron. 68-58. 10 po ang kalamangan dito ng Meralco. 7:55 to go here in the fourth. Meralco trying to pull away. Petron hanging in there. Ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin dito ng Petron, Kinito, just to make sure na hindi mamagalalo yung kalamangan ng Meralco?
Well, make sure that they get the basket. Importante yun para sa kanila, no? At saka everything comes from their defense. And si Chris Lats, very, very aggressive sa kanyang pag-aatake sa basket and very consistent din ang kanyang style of play. And right now, si Coach Chato Agustin, ang kailangan niya yung matinding depensa para hindi na maka-score ang Meralco. They get the stumps and that should fuel their rhythm sa kanilang opensa.
15 points already for Chris Lutz. One of the more consistent players for Coach Chato. At muli na lang kalamangan dito ng Meralco. A dive there by Alex Cabagnot. Tumuturo ng 8 seconds violation pero hindi na itawag. Sol, wayward pass, 6 to shoot. Nakapagal, may tanga ng bola, 3 to shoot, Pumeke, no foul called. And 24-second violation para dito sa Meralco. Big break for Petron.
Yun ang sinasabi natin about the defense ng Petron. Nakakuha sila ng 24-second shot clock violation. Napakagandang depensa. Nakita ni Alex Cabagnot on Sol Mercado. They delayed the execution. Tapos, they made sure that si Mercado hindi na nakahawak ng bola to be able to make a shot.
Nawala doon ang bola kay Chris Lutz. Magandang depensa na nakita ni Mark Makapagal. A little over 7 minutes left dito po sa ating fourth quarter. 50 hands there from Chris Lutz. Yung nga lang natawagan siya ng foul. Ika-4 ni Lutz. Maganda na yung double. Natawagan ng foul doon. Coach ito, hindi masaya dun sa nangyari. Actually, 9 to shoot here for Meralco. Mercado versus Cabagnot and Ildefonso. Borboran attacks the basket. Fadeaway jumper. Doesn't connect. Santos with the rebound. Indio wisely pulling back at Cabagnot. Other moves in mind. Nakapik ni Arwin pero hindi pa rin.
Gabi yung Pinas. Ang sabi niya na pinamahan sa harapan. And they call it jump ball.
Si Gabi.
Sabi ng Gabi, pinamahan sa mukha.
Tumahawak sa kanina eh. Wala ka naman eh.
And he's saying that tumawag siya ng timeout.
68-60 po ang ating score. 6:37 to go.
Ito, meron siyang inahawakan doon. I think pinamahan sa mukha.
Ayan, no?
Now, I don't think there was any... there, he's trying to call a timeout. Pero papagsak siya. Papagsak si si Gabby as he was trying to call for a timeout. So hindi siya pagbibigyan doon.
So pagkahawak niya sa ulo, idinanet niya sa timeout, hindi nga lang naibigay. Pero balik pa rin sa kanilang bola.
Ang ulit, mabilang tuloy. Ang technical foul. Si Gabby Espina.
Gabby Espinas hindi napigilan ang kanyang sarili. At patuloy na inakusahan ang ating mga referee kahit na nakuha na yung bola. Big break here for Petron to cut the lead down further. Yes, lads, nilinis, ano? Nilinis yung ring.
Yung around the world muna, no?
Oo.
Bago pumasok.
Siguro patanggal, patanggal malas. 68-61, pito ang kalamangan ng Meralco.
Again, nandun yung pressure defense. Sandali.
Hindi aware si Sol Mercado
okay.
sa kanilang shot clock.
For 8-second shot clock violation. That's right.
Para po sa ating mga viewers, always look at the shot clock sapagkat patuloy po yan kung hindi nire-reset. Hindi mo napansin ni Sol. 15 seconds na nasa backcourt pa siya, 8-second violation.
Penetration ni Alex Cabagnot, but no basket.
Petron still struggling here. Pinunti-unti nila 68-61. Pito na lang hinahabol nila. Kaulaba like this matchup, but in the front row, good defense at balik ang bola sa Petron.
Again, yung depensa ng Petron, clamping down ng ating Kaulaba. Hindi binigyan ng Petron si ating Kaulaba ng pagkakataon to pass. So, nalimit ang kanyang option. He had to put the ball on the floor. As a result, turnover.
Single coverage lang, yung ginawa ni Danny Aydon. Petron here trying to get something from their leader. Na-save ni Danny Ay. And he was caught stepping on the baseline. Ball goes back here to the ball. 5:47 to go, 68-61. And Mercado being hounded here by Cabagnot. Nasa ng bola. Mas makapag-aal. Back to Espinas. Hindi pumasok at Daulab. A big rebound there. Muscles his way in.
Power play para kay Asi. That's 6 points now for him. And a total of 9 rebounds.
Danny I called for that foul there. Maganda yung mga peking binigay ni Daulaba. Made sure na nakafocus sa basket and gets that 2 points. Tingnan din yung free throw, 70-61. 9-point lead here for Meralco. And to shoot para sa boosters. Last kumawala. Arwin for the fadeaway jumper. Kapos! And Espinas corners that rebound. At ikot. Ayun. Nakatawag na siya ng timeout.
And that time he made sure bago siya matamaan na naman sa mukha.
Nakatawag ng timeout itong si Espinas. 70-61. Magbabalik po ang PBA. Balik po tayo dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum Philippine Cup. Ito palang natin 14 games na po. Meron ng bawat kupunan. Kumusta ang standings ng teams natin dito?
Okay, ang Petron, wala pa silang talo. Last team standing ang tawag natin sa kanila. At ang Meralco humahabol doon ng 2-2. And 2 other teams with 2-2 records. Very interesting ating standings, ha? Hindi nagkakalayo. And of course, we're still very young in the season. But ang Shopinas.com, mga kaibigan, pati na din ang Alaska, wala pa silang panalo.
Yun yung mga mabigat doon, no? Yung nasa dulo. Alam natin, 9 and 10 natatanggal. And Shopinas still winless. Itong Alaska rin, wala pa rin ipinapanalo.
At sabi nga natin, no, it's better to lose in the start than in the end. You're 0 and 4, you're 0 and 3 right now. But it's still a very young season. So kaya mo pang habulin yung mga pace setters ng ating liga.
Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. And again, the second time na natawagan ng 8-second violation itong Meralco boss Mark Makapagal not aware of his time in the backcourt.
That's right, and see Coach Ryan Gregorio. Hindi ko nakikita yung tulong, no, sa mga backcourt or ball carriers ng Meralco. So they expect the ball carriers to go up against the pressure defense on their own. Single coverage lang naman. Pero it's important to give that help para makababa ka agad or makataas ka agad ng bola ang mga ball carriers ng Meralco.
At nakita natin doon, yung action na yun, itong si Joseph Yo. Umatake sa loob, naibaba ang kalamangan sa pito, 70-63. Wala na pong 5 minutong naiiwan dito sa ating huling yugto. Sol for 3. Kapos, meron na ako ni Espinas. Basket, plus 1 more attempt sa free throw. Balik sa siya mga kalamangan, 72-63. The ball's up by 9.
A big basket there by Gabby Espinas. Nakita natin yung tira galing kay Sol Mercado. Napunta sa kanya yung bola. But he's always hovering around the basket area. Kanya always, exactly, always in a situation na pwede siya maka-pick up ng offensive rebound. At kanina, he was involved in a lot of plays on defensive rebounds as well as in jump ball situation.
Espinas may 13 puntos na. Taulaban at about the foul. And Joseph Yo will go to the line to shoot for 2. 4:22 to go dito po sa huling chapter natin. Meralco up by 9, 73-64. What normally favors Petron ng low-scoring ball game, aba, yung Meralco ang nag-e-enjoy dito sa mababang scorean sa game na to.
Yan ang sabi nga ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, bago pa nagsimula itong game, that ang depensa ng Meralco is their strongest armor. And, well, talaga pinapakita nito ng Meralco. What exactly he meant by that?
At very active sila, no, under the basket. They take a shot, they miss it, but somehow they still get the offensive rebound.
Palagay ko, yun ang isa sa mga pinag-usapan nila before this game. The need for gang rebounding para hindi makakuha ng pagkakataon ng mga possessions. To limit the possessions ng Petron.
Oh, wow. Pero itong si Joseph Yo, ibang teammate niya, sabi niya, ako na lang ang i-score. Joseph Yo with that undergo stab, cut the lead down to 6, 73-67, 3:45 to go sa last chapter.
Yan ang trademark ng ninja move ni Joseph Yo.
Makapagal, muscles his way in, ginako yung bola, yung basket rather. Last umatake against Mercado! Hindi Buenas. And makapagal gets the rebound.
And they call a jump ball. Danny Ildefonso.
Tangan ni Danny ay yung bola, habang hawak din ni makapagal. Habang tumatawag din ng timeout, but the referees call it a jump ball. Very exciting ball game.
Crucial ang possession na ito. Kiki. And doon nakuha naman na. Meralco na naman ang possession. And once again, si Gabby Espinas.
Sinigurado niya eh, no?
Involved in the play.
Gabby Espinas. Talagang nakakalat siya dito sa loob ng court. Kumukuha ng rebound, kumukuha ng basket. 3:20 to go. Magbabalik po ang PBA. Usapang basketball pa rin po tayo. Watch out for PBA D-League. Tuwing Sabado po alas 6 ng umaga. Tuwing Tuesday and Thursday alas 5 po ng hapon. Yan po yung ating PBA D-League Aspirants Cup. Kung saan makikita nyo yung mga future stars of the PBA na papakitang gilas dyan sa ating D-League. So make sure, every Saturday 10 a.m., Tuesday and Thursday 5 p.m. dito na po sa Active. At pwede ka rin kayo pumunta live to watch our games. Ang daming maubusay na player as we take a look at our good commissioner, Chito Salud, enjoying the game as well. 3:20 to go, 73-67, up by 6 ang Meralco. Finito, still manageable, 3:20 to go. Consistency ba ang kailangan ng Petron?
Marami pang oras ito na consistency sa kanilang depensa. And si Sol Mercado, nagsisimon dito. And you watch the way. Situation siya nag-penetrate si Asi Lava. Meron ng 8 points. Meron ding 9 rebounds. Alam mo, si Asi is making a difference dito. Marami nagtutulungan.
At kung nakakadunk si Asi, alam mo, pumayat siya eh, no? Pumayat, nagpakondisyon si Asi.
Mukha nga.
And getting a dunk from your resident big guy here. Talagang malaking impact yan sa ginagawang subok na makahabol ng Petron. It's a blow to the heart of Petron.
Well, hindi lang yun, no? Si Sol Mercado, ang kanyang impact na pinapakita rito, getting his teammates involved, getting the big man to get a high percentage dunk shot.
And I think, alam mo dito, ganito, may inaamoy itong si Daniel Defonso sa bola. Alam mo, bawal na kasi ang pro grip.
Exactly. Yung tinatawag natin na stick-em.
Oo, so ngayon,
Sa NBA, bawal din yan.
Danny I was telling the referees earlier he was sniffing the ball. Hindi dahil nagugutom na si Danny I at gusto kainin yung bola, but he wants to show something na hindi naman yata ginawa ni Asi. Meralco up by 8, 75 to 67. Taolava. Nagmitis doon. Go with the basketball. 2:28 to go dito sa last chapter. Alvin Santos. Yes for that two.
Nahirap itira yun. But he went aggressive. He elected to go inside rather than take the outside shot. Good decision on the part of the Spider-Man.
Semblance of a press here from Petron. Sinusubukan pigilan ko si Sol. Walang foul na binawag. Nakuha ni Sabagot ang bola. 4 against 4 here. Sabagot kung mawala ni Asi and he gets the foul. Sakto sa ating last 2 minutes.
Well, big turnover yun na nakuha ng Petron against Meralco.
Good decision there for Alex Sabagot. Nakita niya mas mabagal yung nagbabantay sa kanya. Nilinang niya doon si Asi. Went to the hoop and got the foul.
Beautiful free foul for Alex Sabagot.
Kung bakit pinakita yon, hindi ko alam. Pero pumapalakpak. So, isa siyang kakampi ng Petron.
Nako! Mintis.
Nagmintis doon si Alex Sabagnot. Pero na ibaba niya sa 5 kalamang ng 5 to 70. Wala na pong 2 minuto na ilipan sa ating muling yugtong. And to shoot here for the Bolts. Gabi Espinas against Alvin Santos. 5 to shoot. Hindi alam ni Gabi. Bumiyit. Pero it's up. Nice job there from the Spider-Man. And good break here for Petron.
Kabit na kabit yun. It's exactly what we're talking about. Yung consistency sa depensa nila. Good luck.
Chris Lodge to Sabagnot. Hindi na ipasok pero nakuha yung rebound. But
As a loose ball foul on Alex Sabagnot.
Loose ball foul number 5.
pagkawagan ng foul dito sa Sabagnot.
Ano kung naipasok ni Sabagnot yun, that would have been big. That would have cut the lead to just 2 points. Ngayon, nasa penalty ang Petron. Mabibigyan na naman ng 2 free throws ang Meralco. All game long, parang hindi natin nakita yung usual rhythm, yung
Wala,
flow ng opensa.
Wala sa hubog eh.
Ng Petron. At napansin-pansin naman yung energy level ng Meralco na napakataas. Nabigyan sila ng malaking boost yung pagbabalik ni Sol Mercado.
Parang nag-iba yung anyo nila, no? Dati nangangapa. Although maganda nilalaro nila Nete, parang facelift itong Meralco. 1:19 to go. Huwag naman yung alis. Magbabalik ang PBA. Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Aksyon sa pagitan ng Meralco at Petron. 77 to 70. 1:19 to go. Ang ganda ng aksyon so far in their first game. Pero mamaya ho, maganda rin ang aksyon. We have the Alaska Aces going up against the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Rain or Shine, maganda yung pinapakita. 3-1. Pero itong Alaska Aces, 0-3. They have yet to win a game here in the Philippine Cup under the tutelage of Coach Banal. Nasabi nila, wala naman sila masyadong binago. So tingnan natin mamaya kung magbabago na ang landas o ang tadhana rather nitong Alaska. 1:19 ganito, manageable for Petron?
Well, mathematically possible, yes. At a 7-point lead. But ang kailangan dito ng Petron is to be able to make sure that they make this basket and get a quick stop on the other end. Hindi sila nakakuha ng basket. They gave up a turnover. And that could be it. May foul pa yun. Lalaki pa itong kalamangan ng Meralco with free throws coming up. Si Bitoy Molon
Bricks
Going to the line.
Bricks not going towards the way of Petron here.
Well, all game long, struggling in offense. Yung crisp passing, hindi natin masyado nakita. Yung kanilang defensa, on occasion, maganda. But yung consistency, hindi natin nakita in this game. There's a 3-point shot galing kay Danny.
Wala, no? Walang nahuhulog for Petron. And if they end up losing in this game, Tinito, Coach Atoko, they played well in the first 3 games and all of a sudden, collapse here in their 4th game.
Well, it's something that they need to work on sa kanilang mga kombinasyon, yung confidence level nila. Possible also that yung mindset ng Petron coming from 3 straight victories at ang Meralco coming from a loss na baka feeling nila na hindi masyadong matindi itong kalaban. But I think more and more, everybody's realizing yung competitive balance ng PBA. Mataas.
Yes.
Except that towards the bottom, you see 2 teams that are still winless.
Struggling,
But
ano?
those 8 other teams, matindi ang labanan.
Dikit-dikit eh. Dikit-dikit.
And of course, sa Pinas and Alaska, once they get in the groove of things, they're also going to be very competitive.
Dito naman sa koponan ng Meralco, sabi natin before the game, they were 2-2. Neither here, neither there. Di pa sila nakapagpapainit. Pero one of the injured players comes back, Sol Mercado. And all of a sudden, face paano pa kaya pag naglaro na itong si McCarton, Reynald
Exactly.
Nathan, Chris Ross?
Pag kompleto na sila, no? The influence of one man, kitang-kita natin yung style of play nila. Gabi Espinas. Sandali, may foul dito.
Foul on Arvin Santos.
That's it for Arvin. Congratulations sa rito.
So the Spider-Man leaves the game with 58 seconds to go and they're down by 9.
A good effort on the part of the Spider-Man. Always giving his best.
Pero yun yung kinaganda ng record nila. If they lose this game, they're 3-1. Nakapagpulunan na. Ika nga, no?
Exactly. 17 points and 13 rebounds para kay Spider-Man sa laro. At si Gabi Espinas, good all-around effort galing sa kanya. No? Nakaka 14 points na siya. Always involved in critical situations. Kung possession ang pinag-uusapan. Si Asi Taulava with 8 points and 9 rebounds, another major contributor para sa Meralco.
At sampung kalamangan dito ng Meralco. Alam mo lahat ng hinugot ni Coach Ryan dito nag-deliver for the ball. Tatlong orange shirts pa yung nagagawan sa rebound. An indication that these guys really want to get this very important third win.
And it looks like that win is now sealed. Paupusta ahora Figo at a 10-point lead. And Coach Brian Gregorio harnessing the resources of his players.
Aangat mo dito ng 3-2 itong Meralco habang sila naman na nakapagbigay ng unang talo ng Petron. Petron bababa sa 3-1. And Taulava still not finished with his business.
Hinabol pa niya si Taulava para hindi maka-score. Si Carlos Arba. Ibang klase.
Sabi nga ni Aaron na tayo di kanina, nakita niyo sa ilalim ng sandal niya. Talaga daw chiseled itong si Asi Taulava.
Okay, nakakuha pa ng rebound si Sol Mercado. What an impact he has shown sa game. Meralco running away with his victory.
Dito ba natatapos na ang laro? After 48 minutes of action, Meralco nag-booking 80-70. It's a 10-point victory para dito sa Bolts. At nasabi nga natin, dinito ang ating pinag-iistoryahan. Sol Mercado ayaw magpagas dito sa Petron dahil running on electric daw siya. Maganda yung pinakita dito ni Sol Mercado. Pagpasok, nabanggit mo, di ba? Quick 4 points for the Sol Train. And he keeps on scoring in this game. At hindi lang yan, no? Maliban sa mga puntos na binigay nitong si Sol Train Mercado, siniset up niya yung teammates na like this pass here to Marquis, pero balik kay Sol and 1. So the Sol Train is indeed back. 10-point victory for Meralco, 80-70. 3-2 ang record nila, 3-1 ang Petron. At kausap natin ang ating best player of the game, none other than the Sol Train. Sol! Kamusta, Sol? How are you? Good game for you?
Thanks a lot, man. A little tired.
Okay, you're back in the hot seat. So, you know your numbers are expected. We know you were going to deliver. But what about the contagious spirit? I mean, how you influenced your other teammates? Espinas did well. Asi Taulava got those nice assist passes from you. What did you tell your teammates to look out when you're on the floor?
Well, coach just motivated us for the game and told everybody let's play with a fighting spirit. The couple games before that, we wanted to slow down the tempo a little bit, but since I was back, coach wanted to speed it up and get some easy baskets, and we got some easy baskets, and it helped us. And I mean, those guys are doing great on their own without me, and just for me to come back for them to play great, it's a good feeling.
So after this game, you go up against Alaska, but my interesting question is, after Alaska, you go up against rain or shine. You know, Paul Lee versus Sol Mercado. It's been a hype so far, but I want to find out, are you ready to go up against the lethal weapon?
Hey, watch what you're saying, because he looks like Paul Lee.
Well, I'm not looking at that game. I'm taking one game at a time, and our next game is Alaska. I'm just looking forward to going against Alaska. They're 0-3 right now, but we can't look past them. They're a great team, and we'll see when that time comes against Paul Lee.
You know, one last question, Sol. It was so evident in this game that you guys were gang rebounding. Everybody was crashing the boards. The spirit was high. Is this going to be a reflection of how it's going to be in the next coming games from Meralco? And when Mac Cardona comes back at Reina Hugnatan and Chris Ross?
Man, when we get all those guys back, we're gonna be dangerous. And our target was, I think they're the best rebounding team. So we wanted to keep them off the glass and match their intensity on the boards, and that's what they did.
Sol, I'm sure all your fans are eager to hear from you. Quick greeting to all the Soul Train fans watching us tonight.
I just want to say thank you guys for supporting Meralco and the PBA while I was out. It's good to be back and continue to support the PBA. I just want to give a shout out to my sister and my brother Tony watching the game right now and back home, and all the rest of my fans. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. So congratulations. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng aming production team sa first game, Chicky Reyes here with the Dean Canito Enson, Aaron Asaiden, Erica Padilla. Maraming salamat po. Huwag ko kayong aalis. Ibabalik namin kayo sa Active Center with Patricia.